Hey guys, welcome back to Gabby's Dolls. And today we're going to be making a chocolate mug cake. So let's get started. You will need a microwave safe mug, measuring utensils, flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, some milk, oil, powdered sugar. And that's it. So first, you're going to need your flour, and you're going to need 4 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1, 2, ½ teaspoon of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of milk, 3 oil, and you're going to need 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. That's awesome. I'm going to take a fork and mix it up. And put it in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. So next, after it's cooked, you want a tiny pinch of powdered sugar. And now it's time for the taste test. Good. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.